Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate and use a VPN on Google Chrome. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. A VPN on Chrome can help you keep your browsing private, protect your data, and unlock websites that may be restricted in your region. With NordVPN, you can either use their Chrome extension or run the full app in the background for complete protection. To use the Chrome extension, open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for NordVPN and select the official extension. Click Add to Chrome and confirm. Once installed, you will see the NordVPN icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click it, log in with your account, and choose the country you want to connect to. Your Chrome traffic will now be routed through the VPN. If you want to protect all your internet traffic, not just Chrome, it is better to use the full NordVPN app. Download it from the official NordVPN website, log in and connect to a server. Then, open Chrome and browse normally. This way, all apps and browsers on your device will use the VPN connection. You can switch servers anytime to access content from different countries or improve speed. NordVPN has thousands of servers worldwide, so you can always find one that works well for streaming, browsing, or secure work. It is also lightweight, so it will not slow down your browsing experience. This makes it perfect for daily use whether you are at home, at work, or on public Wi-Fi. With strong encryption, your personal information stays protected at all times. You can browse, shop, and stream, knowing your privacy is always covered. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy a safer, more open internet on Chrome and beyond.